Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can activate an eSIM on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 phone. So first of all, you go to your network provider, and when you get there, you will be made to register the phone with them so that they can give you the QR code. So to register the phone with them, you go to your settings. You go to settings and then you go to about phone, and you will see the email number. So once you give them the email number, then they are going to give you the QR code. So once you have the QR code, you come to settings, you go to connections, you go to SIM manager, and then you have an option to add eSIM. Right now, I've already added one eSIM. I have one card SIM slot for my other line, and I have an eSIM. So assuming you want to add an eSIM, so this is how you are going to see. You will see add eSIM. So once you click on it, you see it says no network connection. So for you to be able to do this, you need a network connection, either a Wi-Fi or a mobile network. So I'm putting on my network connection right now. So I'm going back to settings, connection, SIM manager. So add eSIM. So once you have done that, it will open up, it will show you two options. Choose how to add your eSIM. Scan QR code or search for eSIMs. So it is the first one that we want, to scan the QR code that we have been given. So you just click on scan QR code, and then you place the QR code on it. Just place it on it and scan it for activation. And that is all. So once you've done that, you will see it on your phone. If you go back to the settings, connection, SIM manager, you will see the eSIM right there. As you can see, eSIM. So that is how to activate eSIM on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 phone. See you again in another video.